Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive Kantha stitch collections only for you. So let me display. This one is a very beautiful bright color Bangalore silk with heavy hand pricked Kantha work, and base part is navy blue shade with beautiful hand Kantha work, fully fine stitch. This one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks, lightweight, comfortable. And this one full base part, beautiful hand pricked Kantha work. This portion is border portions, color multicolor, stitching stripes, and full base part is beautiful hand pricked Kantha work, all over base diagonally work, full base part and fine hand Kantha work. This one is running blouse piece, stitching stripes, and this one pallu portions, very nice fresh looks. This one is pallu portions, beautiful fine hand pricked Kantha work, pallu fully heavy work, very bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one same material of white base Bangalore silk with very colorful threaded hand pricked Kantha work. This one full base part, very fresh looks. This one is full base part and elegant color combinations, very nice looks. This one is pallu portions, highlighted, fully colorful threaded fine hand pricked Kantha work, fully fine stitch. Fully hand pricked fine Kantha stitch design, fully hand pricked stitch design, and soft lightweight smart bright looks. This one full base part, very elegant color combinations. This portion is border portions, colorful threaded fine hand pricked Kantha work, and this one full base part combinations of white shade with beautiful hand pricked Kantha work. And this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive fresh trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one, blue shade, royal blue with hand pricked Kantha work, very bright fresh looks. This one is all over base part, fully fine hand pricked Kantha work, Bangalore silk with beautiful hand Kantha stitch design, fully fine stitching design. And this one is border portions, very nice fresh looks and bright color combinations. This one is upper base part, and this portion is split section, beautiful fine hand pricked Kantha work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted, fully heavy hand pricked Kantha work pallu. And this one is border portions, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Also very beautiful and bright color combinations, Bangalore silk with heavy hand pricked Kantha work, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full base part, beautiful hand pricked Kantha work. This one is pallu portions, beautiful hand Kantha stitch design work pallu, and very lightweight, comfortable, fully fine hand pricked Kantha work, soft, comfortable. And this one full base part, diagonally work, full base hand Kantha stitch design, Nakshi Kantha, very elegant looks. This one full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart fresh looks. And this one very beautiful one, navy blue shade, hand pricked Kantha stitch design, very fresh and bright look, same material and fully nice hand design, hand pricked Kantha work. This one full base part, fully fine stitching, Nakshi Kantha hand Kantha stitch design, navy blue shade, Bangalore silk with beautiful colorful threaded hand pricked Kantha work, multicolor border. And this one full base part, fine stitch. hand kantha stitch design, fully hand pricked stitch design, very elegant and bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully fine hand pricked kantha work pallu, very soft, lightweight and very bright fresh looks, beautiful threaded hand kantha work, bright looks. And this one is all over peacefully hand kantha stitch design, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and elegant looks. Also, very beautiful bright color combinations, purple shade with hand pricked kantha work, very nice trendy looks. Bangalore silk with beautiful colorful threaded hand pricked kantha work. This one full base part, very bright looks. This portion is border portions, fully hand kantha stitch design, fine stitching work, very trendy looks, elegant, obviously Bengal traditional Naxi kantha. This one is all over base part, beautiful hand pricked kantha work and fully highlighted border design. This one is running blouse piece, stitching stripes. And this one pallu portions, heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu, soft lightweight dark purple shade Bangalore silk with colorful threaded hand pricked kantha work, very trendy and traditional looks, colorful bright also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one very beautiful color combinations of white shade Bangalore silk hand pricked kantha work, very nice and trendy elegant looks and elegant color combinations also. This one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand pricked kantha work, highlighted pallu, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full pallu portions, fully hand pricked kantha work. And this one is all over base, very nice one. This one is full border portions, beautiful colorful threaded hand pricked kantha work, and all over base part is buta. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fresh looks. Also very beautiful color combinations, very nice looks, royal blue shade Bangalore silk hand pricked kantha work, very bright fresh looks. This one is full base part and fine design, dainty looks. And this one full pallu portions, beautiful fine colorful threaded hand pricked kantha work, heavy worked pallu and fully hand kantha stitch design, hand pricked kantha work, very nice one. And this one is all over base part, fully stripes pattern hand kantha stitch design work. These are beautiful stripes design, very trendy looks. This one is border portions, and all over base part is same heavy work, very beautiful one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part, fully kantha stitch design Naxi kantha. And I will suggest this cotton fabric checks with work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh and bright looks. And this one navy blue shade, bright navy blue shade Bangalore silk with hand pricked kantha work, very fresh looks and traditional also. This one full base part, soft lightweight heavy work but lightweight. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, colorful threaded hand pricked kantha work border, and very nice color combinations, bright dark navy blue shade with beautiful fine hand pricked kantha stitch design. This one all over base part. This one is running blouse piece, stitching stripes. And this one pallu portions, heavy worked pallu and fully hand design hand kantha stitch, hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright and gorgeous looks. And this one very elegant one, Vishnupuri cotton silk with beautiful fine hand pricked kantha work, very trendy and traditional demanding also. This one full pallu portions, beautiful fine hand pricked kantha work, heavy work pallu. This portion is contrast color pallu with fine hand kantha stitch design, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, And this one is full base part, contrast color dye, and upper portion is beautiful batik print, and this portion is contrast color dye diagonally with beautiful fine hand pricked katha work, very trendy and traditional looks. Naxi katha, pure Vishnupuri katan silk, batik print, highlighted katha work, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full piece, but very exclusive one, and I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very elegant looks, pure tussar silk, premium quality pure tussar silk with beautiful fine hand pricked katha work, very nice looks. This one is full base part, pure tussar silk with beautiful fine heavy hand pricked katha work. This one border portions, beautiful fine hand katha stitch design border, and this one is all over base part tussar silk, pure tussar silk. This one is running blouse piece, fully work, and this one full base part. This portion is upper base part, fully heavy work, very nice looks. Upper base part to pallu end, same pattern design, very nice trendy looks. Pure tussar silk with beautiful fine elegant hand pricked katha work. This portion is half portion, fully heavy work, and this one split section, half. This portion is splits. Very trendy looks, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding and elegant looks. Also very beautiful and traditional trendy, also pure tussar silk with beautiful hand pricked katha work and very traditional looks. This one is full base part, very trendy looks. This one is full base part, pure tussar silk with very elegant color combinations work, hand pricked katha work. This one pallu portions, fully heavy hand pricked katha work pallu, beautiful katha stitch design, and this one full base part, pure tussar silk with fine hand pricked katha work border, and this one all over base part, beautiful hand katha stitch design with a very elegant fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, border work, and this one full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding and smart bright looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful saree, baby pink base with beautiful hand pricked katha work, very colorful, also colorful threaded hand katha stitch design, Bangalore silk with beautiful hand pricked katha work and very nice color combinations. This one is pallu portions, beautiful hand katha stitch, heavy worked pallu, and heavy work but very lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, also colorful threaded hand pricked katha stitch design, very nice fresh looks, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.